Happy Tuesday, Hots. I'm Marcellus Walls.
And I'm Sarah Norther, and this is the Birdcall. Here at LVCP, we have an issue.
Let's go to Asian Age for more information.
Asian King!
So Hayden, there's a problem at school that we're having with Minecraft.
Wait, Minecraft?
No, Minecraft.
Minecraft.
No, Minecraft.
I still don't get it.
It's Minecraft. Whatever it is, it must stop. Immediately.
I'm on it, Major DeGrand.
He's a semi-aquatic, egg-laying mammal of action. He's a furry little flatfoot who'll never flinch from a fray. He's got more than just mad skill. He's got a beaver tail and a bill. And the women swoon whatever they hear him say.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get a diamond pickaxe and everything. Cool, man. Yeah, it's awesome.
You two! And Mr. J.
You'll never stop me!
Grayskull.
I was about to get a diamond pickaxe!
I'm glad we put an end to that.
Yeah, right.
Today after school, we have a girls' soccer game against Redwood Christian and a game Friday as well.
And tonight we have an open house. Up next, we have an interview with a mystery person.
Top secret.
This week, we have a mystery guest. We will be asking them personal questions, and it's up to you guys to figure out who it is.
Are you a male or a female?
I'm a female, obviously.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 10th grade.
What do you enjoy?
I enjoy watching movies all day, every day.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I like scary movies with blood.
Who's your favorite killer?
Michael Myers.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes, of course I do.
What is your favorite class?
Media arts. Duh.
You guessed right, it's Elise.
Thanks for that interview.
And coming soon to LVCP is the Birdcall Fear Factor, so be sure to sign up this Friday at lunch. This is Sarah Neuner signing off.
Sayonara.